medicine has always been at the cutting edge of human innovation. From ancient remedies to modern pharmaceuticals, we've constantly pushed the boundaries of what's possible to save lives and improve health. Now, we stand at the brink of a new frontier, one where robots aren't just tools, but active participants in the healing process. Before we delve into the present and future of robotics in medicine, it's essential to understand how we got here. The integration of machines in healthcare is not new. For centuries, advancements like the stethoscope, X-rays, and pacemakers have redefined medicine. But the introduction of robotics represents a significant leap forward. Early robots were primarily used in industrial settings, but the application of robotics in medicine started gaining momentum in the late 20th century. The first robotic surgical assistant, the Puma 560, made headlines in the 1980s, and by the early 2000s, systems like Da Vinci had made robotic-assisted surgery a viable option for hospitals worldwide. At the heart of medical robotics is robotic-assisted surgery, where machines are used to enhance the precision and control of human surgeons. Systems like the Da Vinci Surgical System have been instrumental in revolutionizing how complex surgeries are performed. These robots act as extensions of the surgeon's hands, offering unprecedented accuracy and dexterity. With robotic surgery, I have better control, precision, and visualization than I could ever have with traditional instruments. It's especially useful in cases like prostate surgery, where small margins of error can have significant consequences. These systems use a combination of cameras, instruments, and software to translate the surgeon's movements into highly precise actions, reducing the risk of human error. In procedures like heart valve repairs, gynecological surgeries, and prostatectomies, robots offer less invasive options, leading to shorter recovery times, reduced scarring, and fewer complications. I was back on my feet within days after my surgery. The recovery was so much easier than I expected. The robotic procedure really made a difference for me. It was the precision of the surgery that mattered. Knowing that the robot helped the surgeon perform with such accuracy gave me a lot of confidence. Robots are not confined to the operating room. In rehabilitation, robots are transforming the recovery process for patients with mobility issues. Exoskeletons, like the Ekso GT and ReWalk, enable patients who have suffered spinal cord injuries or strokes to regain movement and independence. These robotic systems allow patients to move in ways they might not be able to on their own, accelerating their recovery and improving their quality of life. It's amazing to see the progress patients can make with robotic assistance. Robotic devices in rehabilitation are more than mechanical aids. They use real-time data to adjust exercises to each patient's needs, ensuring that the recovery process is personalized and effective. Robots are also streamlining the diagnostic process. From managing blood samples to reading medical images, robots are improving both speed and accuracy. Automated diagnostic systems can handle vast amounts of data, minimizing human error and reducing the time it takes to diagnose conditions. These systems help us make faster, more accurate diagnoses, which is crucial in situations where early detection can make all the difference. For example, in radiology, AI-assisted robots can identify abnormalities in imaging with incredible speed. As robotics play a growing role in patient care, important ethical questions arise. Can robots truly replace human doctors? What are the risks of allowing machines to make critical medical decisions? There's a lot of concern about the potential loss of the human touch in medicine. While robots are excellent for precision and efficiency, they lack empathy. Patients don't just need treatment, they need care, reassurance, and emotional support, which only humans can provide in critical situations. Human doctors use intuition, experience, and moral judgment to make decisions. Machines, however, rely on algorithms and data. But what happens when a robot faces a moral dilemma, choosing between saving two patients in a life or death scenario? Can we program ethics into a machine? Another concern is bias. Robots operate based on data, and if that data is flawed or biased, their decisions may disproportionately affect certain groups of people. Ensuring that robotic systems are fair and unbiased is critical as we integrate them further into healthcare. One of the most pressing legal questions is, who is responsible if a robot makes a mistake? Is it the doctor overseeing the procedure, the hospital, or the manufacturer of the robot? Accountability is a huge issue. If a robot malfunctions or makes an error, we need clear guidelines on who bears the responsibility. As these systems become more autonomous, the lines of accountability blur. Establishing legal frameworks for robotics in medicine will be crucial as we move forward. The future of robotics in medicine lies in collaboration, not replacement. Robots will handle repetitive tasks, improve precision in surgery, and assist in diagnostics, but human doctors will continue to oversee the process, focusing on empathy, critical thinking, and complex decision-making. As we embrace this new era in healthcare, it's important to strike the right balance, one that leverages the strengths of robotics without losing sight of what makes healthcare truly human. Robots are changing the face of medicine, but the heart of healthcare will always be human. The challenge now is to ensure that these technological advancements benefit us all, by working with doctors, not replacing them.